Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install RAR and zip file packing or unpacking app on ALCATEL 1 2022. So in order to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store. From here, start search for an app and enter RAR. Hit the search button, select this app, install it. After installation process is complete, we can open our app. You'll need to give it all file access. So find it right here, allow access to manage all files, go back, dismiss this notification, and the app is ready. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.